Hello everyone, Cassandra Good reporting to you live from my vehicle. As always, a second home for me because I'm always on the go. And always on the go to make sure that I can help as best as I possibly can. But guys, this video is all about affiliate marketing. Are you making the right decisions, or are you making decisions at all? Affiliate marketing, are you making decisions or the right decisions, or are you making any decision at all? Well, I don't have to tell you exactly what's going on in our global world. I don't have to tell you how many millions of people are out of work. I don't have to tell you how many people are sitting here waiting for unemployment. I don't have to tell you how many people stay tuned to CNN News, the regular news, their local news, YouTube news, to find out when is the next stimulus check going to drop. Well, guys, I'm going to tell you something. In this industry, I have been profoundly enriched with relationships, with connections, with wealth untold. That's another video. But what I'm here to tell you is that while many of you all are going over and over and over what I like to call over-analysis paralysis in making your decision to step up and step out, this is the time where you don't need to over-analysis paralysis anything, absolutely anything. What you do want to do is reach out to who your prospective mentor, who your prospective person that you want to follow. Reach out to them, find out what their success is, look what their movement is. Do they have the success? Are they experiencing the success? And once you do, and they have a plan of action in place for you to be successful as well, you don't need to take weeks upon months to find out whether or not you need to join that particular platform. Because, guys, what's happening is you're losing money. You're wasting resources. You're wasting your time. And that's one thing that we've never been able to get back. And that's one thing that we've never, ever have been able to just recoup, in a sense of, hey, if I didn't do it yesterday, how many times have you run into an opportunity that gave you a leveraging point? Example, you join at this level, will grandfather you into the next level. How many times have you seen a video like that? How many times have you heard leaders talk about that? And then soon as you decide that you want to take the plunge, that opportunity is gone. And guess what else is gone? Usually your confidence, because now you feel like you can't position yourself high enough to earn. Well, let me tell you something. That's not the opportunity's fault, and that's not that leader or that mentor that you were going to choose fault. It's your fault. It's your fault that you sit there and you overanalyze, paralyze everything. That's your fault. When you see people winning, people that have never ever done things like this before, somebody who's never earned $1 before, let alone offline or online, you might need to think about what is really going on here. I think they got the cookie cutter blueprint that I need, that I've been looking for all along. So when I have people that approach me about a business model, and I know it's a winner, and I know my team and I know the company have a blueprint for your success, and you say, oh, okay, I'm not going to worry about whether or not you join that day, next week, or after. What I think about is when you join, the resources and the tools that I'm going to give you to be even more successful. But until then, you have to decide whether or not you want the success. See, I can't want it more for you than you want it for yourself. So definitely, when you see something, you see a golden opportunity, step up and step in. Get out of your comfort zone. Make sure that you align yourself where you want to be aligned. It is so important in the environment and the climate that we're dealing with right now that you don't miss opportunities ahead of the game, because so many people are coming into this industry, into this space right now, that it will make your head swim. People that have never considered, people that said no before are saying yes. Why not? why not place yourself ahead of that and make sure that people will start saying yes to you? There's opportunities that below this video. Definitely check them out below this video. Definitely go ahead and add yourself. Subscribe to my channel so I can keep you abreast on all the things that's coming and all the things that are successfully working for myself and my team. Definitely hit that bell so that any notifications will come up as soon as I upload a video for you. I don't want you to miss anything. Remember, I've always been telling you, this is your season of abundance. This is your season to plant seeds. This is your season for nurturing men. This is your season to win. Guys, have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday. I'll speak to you later, and bye for now.